Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies. Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you Korean inspired rice cream to remove wrinkles permanently and to get rid of fine lines and to look 10 years younger than your age. And this secret that for a woman that is 50 years old but looks 20 years old, literally, guys. And it's a Korean inspired rice cream that will get you also fair and glowing skin naturally with very simple ingredients at home that the result will amaze you. The first thing we'll need is 3 tablespoons of rice, of course, and we need to wash it thoroughly like so. Once you washed the rice, place it into a clean mixing bowl. And add on it around 1 cup of well-filtered water. And leave it aside until the water gets cloudy and the rice itself gets whiter in color a little bit more. And now we'll need a clean pan, and we'll need 1 orange, and we'll need to peel the orange skin. And orange peel is high in glutathione naturally, which whitens the skin tone, and also it's an anti-aging secret that removes the wrinkles and the fine lines and gets you a very glowing and clear skin naturally. And it's very easy available, so get the orange peel like so, my friends. And in that remedy, I actually like to cut the peels in small pieces like so. That will make it more effective and will get all the orangey canna oil color while we frying it. The third ingredient we'll need is coconut oil, and we need to add 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. And now we need to place it on the stove until the oil actually change its color. You're gonna find it looks orangey in color like so, my friends. You're actually gonna put it on the stove for about 5 minutes. So keep it on the stove for 5 minutes and on a medium heat, and keep stirring like so until you're gonna find the oil change its color, and leave it to cool down. And then we need to strain it like so. Put it also aside until, as you can tell, guys, it got the orangey color. And now leave it aside until it completely cools down, and also to prepare the rice. So once the rice will be rested for around 30 minutes, you will find the water is more cloudy, and you're gonna find the rice actually got whiter. And place it all into the pan and keep stirring on the stove also for 5 minutes, or just cook the rice very well. until the water will turn to a creamy. As you can tell, guys, it is a bit thick, and we need to place it in a grinder or a food processor. And add on it 1 tablespoon of the orange oil that we prepared earlier. That will help the rice to turn into a creamy paste easier. And as you can tell, it turned out to be completely a cream. So place it into a clean mixing bowl like so. And now add on it the orange oil, the orange peel oil that we prepared earlier. And the last ingredient we'll need to add is 1 capsule of vitamin E. And here I'm using the 400 milligrams vitamin E, and add it on it. It will help nourishing and slow down any aging. It's a very powerful antioxidant. So mix all the ingredients very well, and you're gonna find them actually combining very well together and getting a cream consistency like so, my friends. And now apply it on your skin, apply it on your face and on neck, on hands, on any place that you do actually have wrinkles and you want to get rid of it. So apply generous amount and leave it overnight, guys. This is very important. Leave that remedy overnight. You will be amazed with the result. The result will be like amazing, you guys. Like shocking results, guys. It works tremendously. It is super effective. It removes the wrinkles permanently, and it also gets you fair and spotless and glowing skin naturally. It gets like a natural glow. As you can tell, it is amazing. I'm going to store it in a containers and leave it in the fridge to use it every day. I'm so sure that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget, subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies easily like that. So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.